Some of you here always complain that your hair tea is not working, that you have tried so many hair tea but still nothing is changing or nothing has changed. This is the reason why your hair tea is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to another hair video. So today I'll be sharing with you guys some of the things I do that helps my hair tea to work for me. Honestly, if you do those things, you are going to see the result. So what we have here is combination of herbs. We have rosemary, clove, hemp seed, black seed, and a pinch of mint powder. You guys know that I love using rosemary and clove in my hair growth journey
At
because they
N
are
and
just
U
too good,
him a
guys.
K
Those
or
two
O.
combination are everything I need, okay? If you want your hair tea to work for you, always boil your hair tea very well for at least 5 to 10 minutes should be okay. That way the whole nutrient will be well infused, okay? And always apply your hair tea direct to your scalp, not just your hair, direct to your scalp, okay? And if you want your hair tea to work for you, don't just use it once and then expect the hair tea to work for you. No, baby girl, it doesn't work that way. If you want to see the result, always use it for at least 1 month. You can choose to use different type of hair tea. You can't just be using one. But if you want to use one, it is just okay, okay? It's all your choice, but at least use it the way it should be used and you will see the results, okay? Those are the things I do, and trust me, it is working for me. And if you also want your hair tea to work for you very, very well, you can choose to make use of it as a shampoo. If you want it to also work for you, you can use it as a water base in your hair product formulator or anything. You just do it whatever way, whichever way you want to use it. You can use it as oil base, just infuse it with your butter or your oil, whatever thing you choose to do with it. Guys, you can never go wrong with herbs, okay? They are good for your health and for your hair also. So always make herbs your friend, just the way they are my besties, okay? So this is how I am refreshing my old braid. This is just one problem we the natural girl have because our braid doesn't last. Guys, this hair right here is just 1 week plus and the whole rough part is already giving me like tough time. So I am just cutting off the rough part and then probably going to dip it inside hot water again if I have enough time for that. But if I don't, I will just apply some shine and yeah, I'll manage it for like 1 week and then take it off. So if my braid is dirty, sorry, not my braid, if my scalp is dirty, I usually clean my scalp with my hair tea because I don't do that washing method, okay? I don't even have strength to start drying my hair, so I just clean my scalp and yeah. So I am applying my hair tea direct to my scalp. You can see that before I will take off this braid, at least something will surely change, okay? So always apply your hair tea direct to your scalp and yeah, or the parts that you want to regrow, maybe your front hair or any part, just apply it to that place and yeah, steady, steady, not just once, okay? So after applying my hair tea, I just applied my leave-in conditioner mix, okay, because it's in form of hydrating and moisturizing. Then I will go ahead and apply my hair growth oil. Guys, I have the video of this oil here, so I am going to put the link somewhere. Please do go and watch, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, okay, kindly do that. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also comment, okay? I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.